Alright, you guys, so I'm going to show you how to make the best, the juiciest, the most delicious burger. The only burger recipe that you will ever need, honey. This is a jerk burger with mango sauce, with bacon, tomatoes, lettuce. Like, let's just get into it, okay? So I got my burger meat right here, ground beef. I'm using 90-10, 90% lean, 10% fat. But you can use the ratio that you prefer. I'm using my jerk marinade, of course. It is very versatile. As you can see in the previous video, I used it in cabbage and now I'm using it in a burger. So I love it. So next I'm going to add some salt and get it nice and seasoned and let it marinate to the side. And y'all, the smell, and it's not even cooked yet. Like, I can't wait for you guys to get your packages. I believe they start showing up at you guys' houses tomorrow. So I can't wait to hear the feedback. So I'm looking forward to that. And this is how it looks. All right, so we're going to make the sauce, which is just like a pat of butter. We're going to add the mango. I didn't have fresh mango, so I'm using frozen mango chunks. Same thing. They're still nice and sweet. I use these mangoes in my smoothies in the morning, so I said, hey, it's the same thing. So I also added a couple cloves of garlic, a couple tablespoons of honey. I added Spicy Girl, which is my spice. The sale is still going on. I'm having a 20% Labor Day sale. I added apple cider vinegar. So make sure you guys add all those ingredients. Every single thing will be in my description box. You want to mix that up, cook it down for about 10 minutes on low heat. And now I'm going to blitz it. Get it nice and creamy and just delicious. Y'all, this sauce took the burger over the freaking top. Like, if I open a shop right now, this is going on my menu. So if you out there, you a caterer, and you make burgers, make this burger and put it on your menu. All right, so now we're going to cook up the bacon. I'm using a cast iron skillet. Ignore my stove. I know it's a little messy. Y'all know I'm always squeaky clean, but I've been recording tons and tons of content all day today. And so, because I plan on posting all week. And so here we are. That's the bun I'm using. You can use whatever buns you prefer. I made my patties. I'm going to sear them after I took the bacon out. I seared it for about 4 minutes per side until they were nice and crusty. This is the cheese I'm using. Use the cheese you prefer, obviously. So when I flipped it, ooh, look at the crust, honey, crustification. Okay, we got the crust going on. So I let it cook for about 2 minutes or so before I add the cheese. Yeah, I just like giving it a couple minutes before I add the cheese. But once the cheese is nice and melty like it is right now, I cut the stove off. I remove the burgers. You don't want to dry them out or overcook them. And this is what they look like, you guys. Y'all, first of all, y'all, the smell of the jerk coming from these burgers. Like, I can't deal. I can't deal, you guys. Seriously. So I'm going to put my toasted bun down. Of course, the mango sauce. Then you want to put your burger patty down. You could go in whatever order you want, but this is the order I chose. Then I'm going to add my crispy bacon down on the burger. Some tomatoes, of course. You got to add some greenery because, child, the people complain. So you got to add some greenery. And then I'm going to add some more sauce because, you're going to put the lettuce down. You want the lettuce to stay in place. So now I add the lettuce on top, and oh my goodness, you guys. Now, listen, I'm not capping. If you got these ingredients in your house, make this burger. If you don't like it, look at my mouth watering. Now, look at my mouth watering, y'all. If you don't like this burger, I want you to come back and drag me in the comments. That's how confident I am. But anyway, let me get out y'all hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. Thank you for always supporting my channel. And I'll catch you guys on my next video, which will be tomorrow. I'll be right back. I told y'all I'm not letting y'all down. And I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, y'all. Bye.